Bert. Oh, there you are, Bert.
Hi.
What are you doing?
Just cleaning the pool, mate.
Oh my God, look at the state of that.
Oh, it's bad, isn't it?
I think it's time to start these episodes, you know?
I think it is, yeah. It's been long awaited.
Yeah. Well, this is Drew. You've seen Drew before in some of the other videos. Why don't you try and make it formal? Should we go and sit there, or do you want to go and sit on the couch?
Can do.
Yeah? I'll set a tripod up or whatever, and we'll have a chat. All right, let me go.
Sounds good.
So I'm just waiting for Drew to finish cleaning his pool. Wanted to talk to you really about what we've been doing. Before in a video, I mentioned that I've been given a good opportunity. Was going to come and work in Spain for someone and work at their tuning garage. But me and my partner Drew, me and my business partner Drew, who is going to enter the shop now because he's finished cleaning his pool.
Sorry I'm late.
Just to let everyone know, this is the third time that we filmed this. So this is how dedicated, because we've done
How many bites have you got on your legs now?
probably about 30.
Bloody hell.
But we've been filming for the last hour.
Yeah. Trying to clean my pool for the last few hours, yeah.
Yeah, but we've been filming. We've filmed twice. First time the battery ran out.
Second time?
Second time I filmed the whole thing in fucking slow-mo.
As soon as someone moved their arm, it went to slow-mo.
Yeah, exactly. So we are going to tell you what we've been doing, and we're going to start it off with, keep it short and sweet, but informative for you. A lot of you have seen Instagram and Facebook on the stories, updates and stuff like that, little snippets of what we've been doing. I've been trying to keep it under my hat so much because we wanted to kind of just push out this series that we've been filming, which is about 40 episodes long, 30, 40 episodes long. For you subscribers that have been following the Instagram and Facebook page, thank you for your support and thank you for watching. For the new people that have joined us today, I really hope you enjoy this content. Basically, this content is, we had an opportunity to buy a garage in Spain on this island, which is called Mallorca, which was an up and running garage, which we've complete and utterly destroyed. We've literally
Destroyed. Interesting choice of words. Pretty much.
We've literally just sent an army of builders in, and we've got them to rip the whole place apart. So it's a blank canvas, so we can start again. Sounds like there's an aeroplane up there. Someone's going on holiday. Is it classed as going on holiday or going home? From Magaluf.
Maybe. Yes.
Yeah,
we had
so-
an opportunity to buy a garage. The guy didn't have it actively for sale. But through a friend of ours, we heard that the guy wanted to move on from mechanics. So
And what's he doing now?
he bought a water truck to deliver water.
To fill
So
pools.
pools and whatever. Yeah. So he was selling the garage. We went in, we bought the garage, we got it for a good price because it needed the licensing finishing off, the fire bit of the license.
Because apart from England, here in England, you could just set up a company, open a garage, and you need a fire extinguisher, some goggles, hard hat,
That's in
boots. Yeah, I'm just saying in England, you just need a first aid kit, basically. Someone that knows how to sing Staying Alive by ABBA and some insurance. Out here, you have to have a full license.
Yeah, the garage had a license, but it just wasn't finished off.
No.
So we bought the garage, we finished off the license, which wasn't much. It was just a bit of fireproofing, fire certification.
And moving a fire warning light.
Yes,
30
500
centimetres.
euros to move it up. So then we could have opened up there and then and just cracked on.
Yeah.
But we decided not to do that.
Because the image is everything, and we wanted to make the place right. We had a budget, which I will always tell anyone, if you're doing a project and you've got a budget in mind, triple it.
Oh yeah.
We've probably done triple the budget.
Yeah. We've thrown everything into this pretty much.
I've sold everything.
Yeah.
You've chucked a couple of spare change at
I've
it.
chucked
Some
some
spare change.
money into it. We both have.
Yeah.
We both have. We're in it 50-50. And yeah, we're all in. We've reformed it big time.
Yep.
We've gone for image. You know, we're going for more of the high end customer.
It's not just the image. We have actually spent money on proper products. Like we've got snap-on tools.
Yeah, not just the garage.
We've got decent toolboxes. We've got decent ramps. Ramps are another thing. We'll explain. You'll see that in future. There's highs and lows. Like we've learnt so many trades in the last 6 months, and it has actually been 6 months. Like we've been filming flat out for 6 months.
We're now electricians,
Plumbers.
carpenters, plumbers,
Floor grinders,
and painters,
yeah.
everything. Ramp builders.
Yeah, ramp builders. Oh mate, the list goes on.
But we wanted to do it because we're trying to aim for the more of the high end market.
And we want to do stuff right.
As well. I mean, anyone can come in the garage. We'll treat them all the same.
Yeah, and we want to do stuff right. And there's three of us well, there's me and you. We are the partners. me and you are partners, not sexual partners, but business partners.
Definitely.
We have one employee, which isn't technically an employee, and he's a mechanic. He's called Sergi. He's 21 years old. He's fully Spanish. He knows the words rotate and what's his favourite saying? Oh fuck. Oh fuck! Oh fuck is his best thing. It's the best
He's a
thing.
local guy, so he's great. He's great to have for the locals.
Yeah, he is. So our roles is Sergi. Honestly, he runs rings around me, but knowledge-wise isn't all there.
It's because he's small.
Yeah,
quick.
yeah, of course he's quick. He's like a whippet. I am obviously doing more of the tuning side of it and the builds, and Andy's dealing with money, dealing with customers, and just
A bit of everything.
a bit of everything really. Yeah, damage to boy, T-boy. But you're going to enjoy your aircon office when it's done.
Oh yes.
So at the moment we still haven't got a toilet or
Can't
an
wait to
office.
get the office.
Yeah. So at the moment you have to take a poo in the dark. So the story goes, had a break for a bit, and then I was offered a job here. I was going to go for the job here with another one of our friends who wanted to.
We're all going to go, aren't we? We're going to set something up together. A performance garage.
And we was all going to be employees of it. I was going to be more tuning and dealing with the higher end stuff. You were going to be more admin and stuff. And then we kind of sat down. It wasn't what we wanted. It was too much.
Yeah, I don't think it was
At the
going to work
start.
out. The idea was great, but I don't think it was going to work out. So we decided to
Team up together.
team up and go for it ourselves.
Yeah.
So here we are, and
This is like a future to. This is the future of this start of this series. So, how we're talking to you now, we've been open a week, and the videos that you're going to watch are the videos of us getting the garage and basically showing you what it was like before we started. It wasn't really that nice before. It was like a standard Spanish
a
garage.
standard car garage, yeah, which would be fine to start working on, but that's not what we wanted to do.
It isn't massive either. It's 200 square
it's not
metres.
big.
The actual work floor area is 200 square metres. It's enough for 3 ramps, a dyno, and some other amenities. But we bought some decent equipment. We bought up-to-date tuning gear, Kes and K-Tag. We bought a aqua blaster, vapor blaster, should I say, which is like a watered vapor blasting machine. There'll be a video of that at some point.
Yeah, that's cool.
We actually haven't received that yet. We're going to I'm picking it up next week.
We went through also and stripped all the ramps down, the dyno down, to repaint it, repowder coat it, because we wanted to get the image right, because we want to attract the high end customers as well.
But we'll treat every other customer the same.
Yeah, but we want to get that.
I mean, we're
that
not
high
cheap.
end market.
We're not cheap. I don't think we're too expensive, but for the knowledge that we've got and for the money that we put in, obviously it's a business. We need to make the money back. We need to have a decent return after. Well, I worked it out. It's probably going to take us 2 years to get a return back on the money that we put in. Basically, we want you to enjoy the channel. So make sure you subscribe, make sure you tickle my bell, and enjoy this journey with us, because there's been lots of ups, lots of downs, lots of fuck it's, lots of letdowns from builders.
I'm going home.
I'm going homes like 30 times because it's hard for me. I mean, I'm in a different country. Drew's 20 minutes away. I have to get a taxi or a lift an hour and a half to an
Commute to
airport.
Spain.
Yeah. I had to jump on a plane, fly for 2.5 hours, get off, and leave my family and friends behind and just crack on and work. And it's been hard. But now there's light at the end of the tunnel.
We're all in, and we're going to give it our best shot.
Yeah.
That's all we can ask for, innit? Let's do it.
Enjoy. Now this video is going to be like probably 4 or 5 minutes of the actual garage when we first got it. So I do apologise, because throughout the episode the quality of the filming actually gets better, because I changed the equipment that I'm using, going from like a DSLR to, believe it or not, phones, iPhone, Samsung. There's some of the quality, like now we're filming on the 12 Pro. Look at the quality is amazing. You
Yeah,
can't.
it's good.
Yeah, and it's easy, it's quick, push a button, go, all autofocus, just easy. We got this device here, which is a Sony sound recorder, because we don't know how good this is, but we'll see. Just follow, keep an eye on the Instagram, keep an eye on the builds that we do, because when we're building the cars, we're also filming the process of the builds in future. We're going to do reviews, go out and drive the cars as well, hopefully. The customers will let us have
Do
a
some
play.
videos on them.
Yeah, and this is there's water everywhere here, so we're going to be doing jet skis, we're going to be doing boat stuff, we're going to be, it's just endless.
Yeah, we're not just cars. We can cater for pretty much everything.
Yeah. But don't panic, I'm still doing footage in England, so if you're saying you want me to film, if you want me to come and have a look at something that you're building or built a really cool car, contact me. Hit me up on Instagram, hit me up on Facebook, I'll come find you. I'm here 2 weeks, England 2 weeks, so in the 2 weeks I'm back home. I'm editing videos and filming basically. So just hit me up, and then never know, maybe one of you might be able to come out here and enjoy a couple of days with us.
I'm playing a colada on a sunbed, son.
Yeah. Nikki Beach White Party or something.
Oh, they're good.
They are good.
They were better when they first started.
Yeah.
Like everything. That's why we want to start strong.
Yeah.
Quality and maintain that level.
So enjoy these videos, and you better get back to cleaning your pool.
Oh, yeah.
See you later. Panels, I've got to remove the glass. There's a skip there ready. We've got to take the ramps out, the ramps are going to come out, all the floors are going to come up. I'll show you out the back. All this is coming down. So this is the storage room at the moment, it's full of old shit that we can just weigh in. But this is the storage room. This was already in the property. We're ripping all this out because we don't really need a big storage room, we only need a little one. And then through here, I've got a torch on my phone. So this is like there's one room here. There's another room here. So this is going to be the toilet. This is quite a big room. It goes all the way through here into the workshop. So we're going to reopen up that. All these walls here, this is filth in here at the moment with roofs coming down. We did want to build an extra bit, but because it's Spain, it's not allowed, basically. We're not allowed to just build shit like that. So this was going to be the kitchen, but all these walls are coming out. There's a couple of rooms here, there's another room here. Shit on the floor. Oh, right, and all this here as well. Another room, and then that's the door. That's going to be the entrance for customers. This whole area here is going to be ripped out, and this is going to be reception. So it's going to be quite a big reception, if you think about it, once it's all ripped out. Toilet here, entrance to workshop there. This is going to be storage. Just to get rid of most of the shit. This is going to be partitioned off here because the dyno fans are coming through the wall, and then they're going up through the roof. I mean, come with some good equipment. Like this is a massive old compressor, parts washer, engine crane, toolboxes. The oil drums are going. Come with a big press, ramps. They're working hard. Oil drainer, so like you put your oil drums on here, and then if you get a leak, it leaks off into there. Obviously, weight bench we're never going to use, so we're going to put that up for sale. Light adjustment. Oh, this is the best bit. We've got an aircon machine. Don't know how to fucking use it because it's in Spanish. Another toolbox. So come with a fridge, tyre machine, tyre balancer. Toilet shower combo, which is being removed. This is all going. So hot here, there's no aircon or anything. This was the office. As I said, all this is going. We put some LED lights up because there's only these lights here at the moment. One up there, the electrics are all being stripped apart. Yeah, we're just literally going to sell shit in this business that we don't need and then start again. So this is going to be an entrance where people come in. There's going to be like seating here, maybe a barbecue area for us anyway, and then straight through there. We don't want people in the workshop, we want to aircon the workshop. We'll get back on it in a bit, and I will film a bit more after I've helped a bit. Matty's up there loving life. Hey Matty! They've done quite well so far, they've ripped all that out. Andy's looking hot already. Hey?
Now you see how they do in Spain.
What, they just...
Between them, they've got enough safety equipment. Everyone's wearing the earphones and gloves. Everyone just gloves. I'm missing just the glasses.
Hold on, let's have a look. Right. No glasses, yeah. Oh wow, stuff
Dusty. Got a crack there.